Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about some basics for writing electronic configuration of an atoms. For writing electronic configuration, we should know the four main concepts, namely quantum numbers, alpha principle, Hohns rule, and Pollux exclusion principle. First we are going to discuss about quantum numbers. First one is principal quantum number. That means quantum numbers. Four quantum numbers we have. First one is a principal quantum number. This quantum number says the energy level and size of the orbitals. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. From this quantum number, we can know where the electron present in atom. That means in which cell electrons are present. Second quantum number is azimuthal quantum number or angular quantum number. This quantum number represented by the letter L. This quantum number gives the sub-energy level and shape of the orbitals. L is equal to 0 to n minus 1 values. If n is equal to 1 means L is equal to 0. This represents first cell containing L value 0. That means only one subcell is present in cell 1, namely S subcell. If n is equal to 2 means L is equal to 0, 1. This represents second cell containing two subcells, namely SP. N is equal to 3 means L is equal to 0, 1, 2. This represents third cell containing three subcells, namely SPD. Third quantum number is magnetic quantum number. This quantum number gives the orientation of the orbitals. That means the subcell containing how much orbitals we can know from this quantum number. M value is equal to 2L plus 1 orbitals. M value vary from minus L to plus L values. If L is equal to 0 means M is equal to 0. This represents S subcells containing only one orbital with magnetic quantum number 0. If L is equal to 1 means P subcell. For that M value minus 1, 0 plus 1. This represents P subcell containing 3 orbitals with magnetic quantum number minus 1, 0 plus 1. Likewise, D subcell containing 5 orbitals with magnetic quantum number minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2. Fourth one is spin quantum number. This quantum number gives the orientation of the spin of the electron. How the earth revolves its own axis, likewise electrons also revolving its own axis. If electrons are revolving in clockwise means that's represented by plus half spin. If the electron is revolving in anti-clockwise means that spin is represented by minus half. From this 4 quantum number, we can know the exact position of the electron in an atom. Next one is the alpha principle. Alpha principle states that electrons are filled into atomic orbitals in the increasing order of orbital energy level. That means first we want to fill the electrons in lower energy level. Then only we want to fill in higher energy level of the orbitals. For filling the electrons in energy level, they are given in one energy diagram. We want to fill in this order. Next one is the Pollux exclusion principle. This principle states that in an atom or molecule, no two electrons can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. As an orbital can contain maximum of only 2 electrons, the 2 electrons must having opposing spins. That means one orbital can have only 2 electrons with opposite spins. And also this principle states that in an atom, no 2 electrons can have same 4 quantum numbers. That means we have seen principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. In an atom, no two electrons can have these four quantum numbers, values are same. Last one is Hohns rule. According to Hohns rule, every orbital in a subcell is singly occupied with one electron before any one orbital is doubly occupied. Here examples are given for writing correct way and incorrect method. Here 2p orbitals, we have 2 electrons. In 2p orbital we have 2 electrons. For 2p subcell we have 3 orbitals. First we want to fill the 3 orbitals in singly filled electrons. Then only we want to pair that electrons. All electrons in singly occupied orbitals have the same spin. We want to fill the electrons in singly manner with the same spin. Then only we want to pair up that electrons. For writing in correct method, we have given some examples. Thank you.